Well, hello and welcome to Jim's radio shop, where I'm in the second stage of checking out a General Electric KL96 radio right here. And what I've been doing this last half hour or so is testing all the tubes in the set, and I did get some interesting results. And I better just finish making a note here. 6K6. And it tested good. Okay, so first thing I want to show you about this is that tube, 6K6. Now, where's the microphones? Not sure where the microphones are on here, but I'm going to rotate this and just be very quiet. Just listen. Not a very good demonstration. Now, okay, so maybe you can hear what I can hear. Now, there's stuff sloshing around inside, but it doesn't seem to be inside the glass envelope. It seems to be in the base or something like that. In any case, tested good, no shorts. I'm just going to clean the socket there a little bit. But unfortunately, two of the tubes are probably not so good. Well, one of them is dead, so we know that one's not so good. So we'll stick this one and then the one with the looseness. There's another one that makes funny sounds too, but it tested good. This is the output tube here. Drives the speaker. It's a little big, isn't it? Well, it's got some heat to dissipate. Well, here's the sad thing. There's the empty socket. This is the tube from it. This guy here, which is very common, I think I probably have one, 6SK7, warms up, but 0 transconductance. So, oh, you know what? I didn't test this guy, so let's do this one together. Let's test them out. That's the power supply. Give my little camera set here. Do some justice. There we go. And I'll show you what I do when I pull these out. First, I try to pull them out from the base. While I'm doing that, I'm feeling if the glass is wiggling relative to the base, then I know the tube's in trouble mechanically. This one seems pretty good. If I have some trouble pulling it out, I will put a large screwdriver under there and get a little better work at it. There we go. Don't really want it popping out and flying across the room. There it is. It's a great big 5x4. So I've identified the tube. I do not have a tube chart or any information with this radio yet, although I'm pretty sure it will be easy to get. And with just ordinary water and a damp paper towel, clean the dirt off, staying away from the lettering. Oh, this is loose. It's not so good. Okay, so base is loose. Move the lettering once. There we go. Only once. No guarantee it won't wipe it right off. I've been feeling a little bad here and there when I accidentally wipe off or obscure the lettering, so you can see some of it but not all of it. These tubes are fairly easy to identify by looking right inside. That's clearly a rectifier tube. It's a big boy too, because it's also dissipating a fair bit of heat. So I like to just get the dust off it. And that. Never braid the pins. I never do that. I seem to find very little trouble with pins and sockets on these tubes, oddly enough. I know lots of other people do all kinds of stuff. I think the friction of putting them in and out kind of cleans them up pretty good. So there we are. This will run a little cooling now. So 5x4. Okay, we'll test it in my tester over here, which I just happen to have out right now. There he is. This one's normally on the shelf, and the actual one I have is up there. That's my normal tester. It falls short quite often on not being able to test certain tubes. So I bring out this guy. This is a nice one too. Both of them are excellent tube testers. So what was that number again? 5x4. So look up 5x4 on the roll chart here. 5. You can do it. There it is. 5x4. So it's a 5-volt tube, hence the 5x4. Very typical. Signal is set to rectifier. Signal doesn't matter. Bias doesn't matter. Good. And the settings are 0030, 0, 0, 3, 0 with a P. Check that again. 5x4, 0030 with a P. Okay. And roll on 0760. 0760. Hang on 1 sec.